Ever pondered what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary in the business world? It's the power of innovation that often tips the scales. But how do you tap into this powerhouse? The answer is simpler than you think. In the ever-evolving business landscape, staying updated with the latest technologies becomes imperative. Yet, it's not always easy to find the right platform that offers comprehensive and relevant training. This is where the problem lies. Now imagine a solution that not only offers you the training you need, but also empowers you to apply it in real time, driving business transformation. Well, you don't need to imagine it anymore. Introducing ERP Duniya's online Oracle Fusion Cloud training, a platform that offers an extensive, in-depth understanding of Oracle Fusion Cloud. It's a platform that transcends geographical boundaries, enabling you to learn from anywhere, at any time. With ERP Duniya, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're acquiring a skill that propels your career to new heights. You're joining a league of tech-savvy professionals who are leading the change in their respective industries. But don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself. Enroll now with ERP Duniya and unlock the power of Oracle Fusion Cloud. Remember, the road to success is paved with continuous learning and upskilling. So, why wait? Take the first step on your journey to becoming an Oracle Fusion Cloud expert today. ERP Duniya's Oracle Fusion Cloud training, your pathway to success. ERP Duniya, empowering professionals transforming businesses worldwide. Because when you succeed, we succeed. Make your move now.